Hey guys, today's video is going to be replacing the hood on this 1995 Honda Civic. I purchased the black one from eBay for $140. I said this before and I'll say it again. This hood was or is in bad shape, and we're gonna see how it comes out in the end. On the left side of the hood, there's these two bolts. For some reason, this one's not tight all the way. Maybe because, like I said, the other guy that owned this car before me switched this hood with the one it had originally, and he quite did not do the job well. We're gonna untighten these two bolts, and then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, and then take off the hood, and then bring the new one and mount it on this bracket, and put these same two bolts onto it and bolt them tight. You know, better than that guy what he did, right? I mean, maybe there's a reason he couldn't do it all the way. Maybe because the bolts are too long. I'm gonna find out right now. But and then that's pretty much it, guys. And then, you know, the wiper line, they cut it for some reason, and I'm gonna have to like eject that as well, and then we'll see how it comes out. So you go from that side, and we're gonna put it allá, dude. You hold it, yeah. Oh, got you. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. I go a little bit higher, dude.
Would you even leave them a truck over there?
Right there. Here, hold it right there so I can go in there. Shit. Okay guys, this is how it came out. I bolted it in. These two bolts back on the hood. How was the other one? With the bracket that was already there. Pretty easy job, it's not hard. Anybody could do it, but I still think I need to align it a little bit more to the right, my right, because when I close it, I'm gonna show you what happens. Look, this one, it looks like it's aligned perfect. It's just a little bit more fat. It gets more big of a crack here, and it gets more thin down. You can feel it with your finger. But then on the left side, there is no gap, you know. There is a gap, but you know, it's kind of, the hood is popping out. I don't know if you can see it. And then over here it gets a little bit more better. But you know, overall it's alright, but I think I need to align it a little bit more to the right. But yeah guys, that's basically how it came out. Any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll get back at you. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
You